When we begin working on a drawing, we start by specifying settings for the size, orientation, and layout style of the page. The options you choose when specifying the page layout can be used as a default for all new drawings you create. You can also adjust the page size and orientation settings to match the standard paper settings for printing. There are two options for specifying a page size: choosing a preset page size or creating your own. You can choose from many preset page sizes, ranging from legal size paper and envelopes to posters and web pages. If a preset page size does not meet your needs, you can create a custom page size by specifying a drawing's dimensions. You can save custom page sizes as presets for later use, and you can delete any custom preset page sizes that you no longer need. To set the page size and orientation, click Layout, Page Size. Enable the Page Size option. To choose a preset page size, choose a size from the Size List box. To match the page size and orientation to the printer settings, click the Get Page Size from Printer button. Type values in the width and height boxes to specify a custom page size. Click the Portrait or Landscape button to set the page orientation. Here we have a multi-page document. To set the page size and orientation for an individual page in a multi-page document, make sure that the page you want to change is displayed in the drawing window. Choose a page size and orientation, and enable the Apply Size to Current Page Only checkbox. Choose a resolution from the Rendering Resolution list box. To set a bleed limit, enable the Show Bleed Area checkbox, and type a value in the bleed box. To show the page border, enable the Show Page Border checkbox. You can also open the Options dialog box with the Page Size tab displayed by double-clicking the shadow of the drawing page. To add a custom preset page size, specify the size in the width and height boxes. Then click the Save button and type a name for the custom page in the Save Custom Page Typist box. To delete a custom page size, choose a page size from the Size List box and click the Delete button. Page orientation. The orientation of the page can be landscape or portrait. Any pages you add to a drawing have the current orientation. However, you can change the orientation of individual pages at any time. You can change the page orientation by clicking Layout, Switch Page Orientation, or by clicking one of the orientation buttons on the property bar. To change the page orientation in multi-page view, right-click the page name label and click Switch Page Orientation. Layout styles. When you use the default layout style, full page, each page in a document is considered a single page and prints on one sheet. You can choose layout styles for multi-page publications, such as booklets and brochures. The multi-page layout styles: Booklet, Tent Card, Side Fold Card, Top Fold Card, and Trifold Brochure. These split the page size into two or more equal parts. Each part is considered a separate page. The advantage of working with separate parts is that you can edit each page in upright orientation and in sequential order in the drawing window, regardless of the layout required to print your document. When you are ready to print, the application automatically arranges the pages in the order required for printing and binding. To choose a layout style, click Layout, Page Layout. Choose a layout style from the Layout list box. Each layout style is accompanied by a short description and illustration. Finally, to save the current page layout as the default, click Layout, Document Options, click Save as Default. Make sure that page size is checked and click Save.